Hello, my beautiful people. How you doing today? Yeah, I'm back again with some of my trading results for today. Yes. The trading is trading. You can see it's trading. Yeah, the charts are all looking good. Can you see my pounds USD? This is my pounds USD. You can see the market is going down. This is looking beautiful. So let me check for euro. This is pounds USDT. The market is really going down. Euro USDT. Yeah, we can see the chart is going down. Today is just for sell. Today we are having sell down trend. You know. So you can all see the trading is trading. The trading is trading. It's looking beautiful. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. Let me check for AUD USDT. Let me see what is happening there. Yeah, AU AUD USDT. Yeah, this is sell. You can see this my moving average. The red has already crossed the blue line, so that one is still a sell signal. It's still a sell signal, so it's still gonna sell. Let me see. Yeah, we're sitting for AUD USD, we're sitting at $15. Yeah, you can see everything is now blue, everything is looking beautiful. We're sitting positive on positive. You know, the trading is trading. Which chart are we gonna check? Let's check for our pounds JPY. Pound JPY, yeah, it's for sale too. You can see almost taking our take profit, almost taking, hitting our take profit is almost. So let me go for euro JPY. I told you guys that it's good to learn how to trade different currency. It's very good to learn how to trade different currency. This one too is a sell signal. You can see you're trading different currency. Definitely you can see how you can make your money. You don't have to say, oh, you're trading one currency pair, and it means when there is no signal there, when the chart is not chatting, when you're not seeing anything, no any information, no any signal, it means you're not going to trade for that currency pair. But when you learn how to trade, although there are strategies when you learn how to trade, like some of my strategies that I learn how to do, maybe using my support and resistance, all those, there are some of them that once you know how to do it, as I know how to do it, you can trade any currency pair. That is the majority, the major currency pairs, in forex trading. So it's good to learn how to trade different currency pairs and you make your good money. So my people, you can see, I even forgot to say, this is my second trade for today. This is my trade for today. You can see the dates here. You can see this date, 2nd of January. You can see the dates. All of them is for second. All of them. These are my losses in the morning. You know, yeah, and the reason why is because of I lost this trade is because of, I think, is the take profit. Yeah, and then I didn't even analyze well. I think I forgot. I jotted down. It's good to journal your trade. When I look at my chart again after this loss, this one, I look at it, I know where I made the error, but I've recovered my loss today. You can see I'm sitting at 470 for today. That was in the morning. You can see, I closed the chart around 12 or so, around 1. So you can see I've recovered, and this one now for this London time. It was London time. I entered this street again. I saw those opportunity and have to catch those peeps. You need to catch those peeps. We don't need to leave it on the table. You don't have to leave money on the table. So sorry for my voice. I have cough. After partying, after enjoying the Xmas, the New Year, cough came in. So You can now see, I say, let me just show you my little trades I have now this London time, So thank you for your time. Thank you. I'm grateful. Please click on the subscribe button for more trading, more trading tips. Yeah, anything you want me to tell you, to teach you on trading, you can drop it on the comment section. You can tell me what aspect did you want to learn. Do you want to learn about more strategies? Do you want to learn about the currency pairs? Do you want to learn about the moving average, the strategies, the indicators? Some people use indicators to trade, some people use different strategies to trade. I know, for me, I know more than, let's say, more than 5 or 6 strategies I can use to trade. It wasn't learned, and I encourage people to learn. You need to learn it, just like you went to school to learn, acquire a skill. Trading is like a skill. You need to sit down and learn it. I went for a course, a full-time course, to learn all these things. So if you can learn, you have your time, you learn it. It's good. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please, is your girl, encourage me. Click on the subscribe button, and then I want you to also click on the notification bell. Anytime I post a video, it will notify you that I've posted a video. So please don't forget to click on that. You can also share. Yeah, why not? You can also share the video. You can see the market. Wow, it's really trading. The market is doing its thing. It's doing well. It's looking beautiful. You can see we're sitting at $500. That's the second trade for today that I saw another opportunity and jump over it. So you can see, once you learn this skill, you've learned it for life. It's yours and nobody will take it from you. It's just like you're having your ATM machine with you. It's like you're having your ATM machine printing money, and with your belief, with your prayer. And I will not forget to tell you, anything you're doing, you have to pray. Whatever religion you are, whatever God you believe in, whatever God you worship, whatever thing you believe in, I always encourage you to always call on the name of that God. Pray, be faithful to that your God, and then whatever you put your hand to do, you see it working perfectly. You see it working well. So I encourage you, don't always think on your own. Always rely on that your God for wisdom, for knowledge. You understand? When you want to think on your own, just tell me on the comment section. Anytime you're trying to figure out something on your own, you will struggle. You will struggle. But when you have faith, when you believe that, oh, I want to do trading, I want to learn trading, I want to have this knowledge, as you're praying, sorry for this cough, as you're praying to your God, to what you believe on, to what you call upon. So you're acquiring knowledge, you're praying. I think these two will go hand in hand, and before you know, you're a success. Do you understand? I want you, my subscribers, to be the best traders. I want you to be the best wherever country you are watching from. I want to be the best trader there. I want you to teach people. I want you to be globally known and reckoned with. You understand? You're doing well in whatever skill you know to do. It will be good. It's perfect. So for this right, I know, let me even check USD chef. Let's check what is the chart saying. Here, this we go. Let's see what's happening there. Okay. Yeah. Normally, in trading, the market breathe in and breathe out. Those candles formation. When it's going for a buy, it doesn't just go buy, 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 buy. There are times the candlestick will be for a bullish. Some at times the candlestick will be bearish. Now is a bearish candlestick, but the most important thing, once you know your strategy, you analyze your analysis, you've analyzed the technical, your technical analysis, you use what works for you. For example, maybe you use your trending strategy. If you're using your trending strategy, definitely you don't have to be scared when you see another candle that is, instead of your normal bullish candle, you're seeing a bearish candle. You don't have to be scared, because the thing will still go up and go to the direction of your trade. So Thank you. You can see this is for US chef. It's still at minus 41. Definitely it's going to pick the profit. It's going to go back and continue, because as you can see, the chart is definitely a buy trend. It's an up trend. It's going up. It's a buy trade. So nothing to worry. You can see the moving average is forming. Nothing to be scared of. So thank you for today. Thank you, my people. Thank you. Bye for now.